MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil, TireRack.com, and RockAuto.com.
It's been just over a month since this 2022 Nissan Pathfinder joined our long-term fleet, and so far we've enjoyed putting 1,400 miles on our Platinum trim tester, equipped with rear captain's chairs, a panoramic moonroof, and all the connectivity you need. One of our gripes with the last-gen model was the CVT, but we praised Nissan during our recent road test for replacing it with the 9-speed automatic transmission.
While it's true most people probably wouldn't mind or even notice the CVT, we're glad Nissan made the switch to a geared transmission in this Pathfinder. It offers the seamlessness of a CVT without all the monotonous tones under hard acceleration. I mean, it's really well matched to this stout V6 engine.
Currently, our fuel economy average is sitting around 20.2 miles per gallon, a little lower than we'd like, but we expect to see it rise with more highway driving. That driving will be split with our latest long-term addition, the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. We'll see how it stacks up against our winter cold.